Say goodbye to boring hair days. Today we're making natural shampoo bars, a refreshing all-natural way to cleanse, nourish, and energize your hair. Ready to get mixing? Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. I'm excited to show you how to make your rosemary and mint shampoo bars. Unlike store-bought shampoos that can be loaded with harsh chemicals, these bars are all natural, eco-friendly, and packed with ingredients that your hair and scalp will love. Before we dive in, let's talk about how easy we make DIY. When you buy the Simply Earth shampoo bar kit, you'll get all the key ingredients delivered straight to your door. You can also grab everything for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Let's be real, most store-bought shampoos contain artificial fragrances and questionable chemicals that can strip your hair of its natural oils. With this DIY recipe, you're in control. These shampoo bars cleanse effectively, add moisture and volume, and support a healthy scalp, all without toxins. Grab your Simply Earth kit and let's make these nourishing shampoo bars together. Making your own natural recipes is more than fun. It's self-care. Here's what you'll need from your kit: 3/4 of a cup plus 1.5 tablespoons of SCI powder. This is a gentle sulfate-free cleanser for a rich lather. Also, 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of SLSA powder. This boosts foam without stripping natural oils. 2 tablespoons of rose kaolin clay. This detoxifies and adds a silky feel to the hair. 1.5 tablespoons of foam boost. This enhances the lather. 2 teaspoons of hydrolyzed rice protein. This strengthens and adds shine. 2 teaspoons of argan oil. This deeply nourishes and tames frizz. 29 drops of GeoGuard ECT preservative. This will keep your shampoo fresh. 30 drops rosemary essential oil. This will help promote hair health and circulation. 20 drops peppermint essential oil. This will help refresh your scalp and stimulates hair growth. And you will also get 4 labels. And of course, you will get 4 Simply Earth round soap molds. And from your home, you will need 2 tablespoons of rice starch or cornstarch. You will also need a face mask. This helps prevent inhaling the fine powders. Also some tape for securing the wraps. I will be using washi tape. Mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. Combine SCI powder, SLSA powder, rose kaolin clay, and cornstarch. Mix well. Mix the wet ingredients in a separate container. Combine foam boost, hydrolyzed rice protein, argan oil, GeoGuard ECT preservative, and essential oils. Stir thoroughly. Add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until uniform. Use your hands if needed to create a moldable consistency. Divide the mixture and firmly press into your silicone molds. Place the molds in the fridge for a few hours. Then remove the bars and let them dry for a few days. Wrap your shampoo bars and attach to the labels. To use, wet your hair, rub the bar between your hands, and create a lather. Then massage into your scalp and hair. Rinse thoroughly. Store your shampoo bar in a soap dish with drainage to keep it dry between uses. Using this shampoo bar feels like treating your hair to an all-natural spa day. It lathers beautifully, smells amazing, and leaves my hair feeling fresh and healthy. See how easy that was? If I can make these rosemary and mint shampoo bars, you can too. When you make this recipe, snap a photo and share it on social media with hashtag I made this and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our page. For more natural DIY recipes, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. And if you enjoyed this video, check out these other DIY tutorials on your screen now. Happy DIYing!